In this tutorial, we're going to talk about expressions and getting the answers of some maths, because computer programs are really good at doing maths for you to save you the effort of having to work it out. We're going to output that to the screen or the interactive window on the right. Here's a basic program. Here's a variable. Here's a variable name called wages. There's the equals. And here's a value that's been assigned to this variable name of wages. And the value is 500. This is an integer because it's a whole number. This is a print statement, and it's going to print a string here. We have a comma, and we have a variable name. We have covered this in previous tutorials. So let me just run this program. It comes up on the screen. Your basic wages is 500. If I wanted to give somebody a bonus, I could do this. I'm using camel notation with a capital E. I'm going to give them a £30 bonus. And I need to now print out their wages. So I need to print this variable here. Okay. So it should be 530 gets commands on the screen underneath. Your basic wages is 500, and this obviously is a mistake. So let's call it new wages. Again, you build up and you change programs as you go along. You can clearly see there was a mistake there. Your basic wages is 500, your new wages is 530. That's fine. This bit here is called an expression. An expression, as it says at the top, is a value. Remember, the value is always on the right of equals, a value that does some maths. So here is a value, but the computer doesn't know exactly what the value is. It does here. It knows the value is 500. It doesn't know what the value is here. It's got to go and work it out. So if it has to work it out, it's called an expression. So an expression is a value that does some maths. I can also do this. Bonus equals 30. An expression is wages plus bonus, and that will still work. There we go. I can see it down below here. This is the preferred way of doing expressions where you have variable names. However, sometimes you may just need to add numbers. Okay?